is charging numbers to your account. To mine data, Dean relies on the mathematics of graph theory.
The area that I specialize in is called graph theory, or the theory of graphs. Some people think of graphs as like the plots, the XY plots, where they're like statisticians plotting data. But this is a different kind of graph.
Dean can demonstrate the power of graph theory using any kind of data, even common grocery store receipts. For example, a grocery store receipt lists items bought at the supermarket. And Dean enters each item into a computer. The items are represented by a dot called a node. Next, Dean connects items that are bought at the same time by lines called edges. For example, one customer bought soap, dishwashing detergent, and a paperback book. These purchases are connected by edges. In another example, these items were bought at the same time. And these too are connected by edges. Most of the buying patterns, however, are seen at the heart of the graph. To make sense of these tangled nodes and edges, Dean alters the graph to reveal those items purchased most frequently. This information would be valuable to any grocer because it begins to show not only what customers buy, but how they shop. For example, Dean has uncovered an interesting pattern. Bananas are linked to just about every item in the store. This might suggest to a grocer that he could display bananas throughout the store, not only in the produce section.
There's certainly a lot of data mining going on now. And everybody seems to be jumping into it. Corporations everywhere seem to be jumping into data mining. It's a hot topic, definitely. We find that if we look at data the right way, then some patterns start to emerge. Maybe these patterns don't explain everything, but we start to understand a little bit maybe about why people are buying things the way they do, why they buy cars the way they do, or why they buy certain types of soup or certain kinds of toys and things like this. We start to understand things about human behavior and about ourselves.
Mathematics can be a powerful tool, and it can even be used to gauge what we think and feel as we all head into the information age. Walker Smith uses mathematics to gauge people's opinions. He's trying to figure out how we feel as we're heading into the next century. This information is a valuable commodity worth millions of dollars to advertisers.
Yankelovich Partners is a strategic marketing research firm. We work with companies that sell consumer products and services to help them understand the values and the buying motivations of their customers. We do primarily survey research. So we are in the business of interviewing consumers. It's something that I call research the old-fashioned way.
As you can see, it's a really wonderful California day, just perfect. And I'm going to do some door-to-doors, which means that I'm going to be knocking on people's doors and asking them questions. Coming. Hi there, I'm Beverly with Nichols Research, and we're doing a market research study today. Can I ask you a few quick questions?
Sure. Would you like to come on in then?
Thank you, yes.
All righty.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I like to engage in activities that most people think are dangerous.
I don't agree.
Big companies have had to learn to respect the wishes of consumers like me a lot more than they used to.
I strongly agree.
I like to plan 5 to 10 years ahead.
I disagree.
Parents have an obligation to see to it that their children do as well as possible in school.
I agree very strongly.
Shopping is an experience that is relaxing and enjoyable for me.
Disagree.
I'm always looking to learn something new.
Agree.
For more than 5 decades, Yankelovich Partners has been tracking the American dream. And they were often among the first to spot new trends.
Hi, my name is Beverly. I'm with Nichols Research. Hi,
Today, Yankelovich Partners is tracking a new chapter in the American dream. Once the statistical data is gathered, it is shipped off for analysis.
All of the answers that respondents have given us are put into the computer. And we do that by having individual key punchers key in the numbers that correspond to people's opinions.
These numbers correspond to people's answers. A 1 means that they strongly disagree with the statement.